Hi, welcome to Fratello Innotech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
So, I think Python and Java students, both students are present, right, in this session. So, actually, for Python students, yesterday I have shared a software file, right, in WhatsApp group. So, in that we have completed the Python and Python installations, right, and also the Django app creation and all. So, have you completed the installations, Python and Python, or still anyone pending? For Python students, have you completed the PyCharm and Python installations? Please respond. If not, please look after the recordings and please complete your installations. Okay. So I think for Java also yesterday Eclipse installations and also JDK installations are complete, right? So today for both Java and Python, I'm going to tell how to install MySQL and SQL Yolk database. So actually the database connection is same for both Python and Java. So let's discuss how to do the MySQL and SQL Yolk installations. Okay. So open the softwares which I have shared in the group Python softwares. Both Java and Python students open the Python softwares file. Wait, I will reshare it. Just wait a second. See, open that file. So today let's discuss how to install SQL and MySQL and SQL Yoke. So in Python softwares, open the Python software. So yesterday we have completed. Just a minute, I will share my screen. So is my screen visible? Hello. Hello, is my screen visible? Please respond. Hello. Someone can unmute yourself and please respond to me. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So let's go with the Python software file. And yesterday we have completed PyCharm and Python, right? And for Java also you have completed JDK and Eclipse installations, right? So today MySQL and SQL Yoke is same for both, okay, Python and Java. So let's go with the MySQL installer. Let's double tap it. So do now itself so that you can easily understand how to do the installations. Okay. Click on S. It will take some time to install. So all of you know, right? Hello. Click on S. Please do your installations right now so that you can easily understand how to do the installations and all. If not, you can look after the recordings and you can do it. So click on next, execute. If you have any doubts, let me know while doing this. So next, click on next, 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 next. Here we should use a password and also a password. So here you should use root and root. Please note the password. So if you forgot the password, next time మీకు మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవ్వదు సో దట్ మీరు పాస్వర్డ్ని నోట్ చేసుకోండి. సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్, 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 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. Finish. Next. Finish. So successfully MySQL installer was installed, and next go with the SQL log. Okay, so double and click on S. Okay, next here click on checkbox. I accept the terms of license agreement and click on next. Next, install. Next, finish. Now open. Click on new connection. New. Please enter here your password, that is root, and connect. Just a minute. So here you should keep port as 3307. Okay. So let's connect. Else. So connected. Okay. The database was connected successfully. So have you done? No, PS4. I have shared a file in your WhatsApp group, right? Software file. So in that we have the MySQL and SQL log. I told the process, right? So based on that process, you should do. Chetan, are you there? Have you understood? I have shared a Python software in your WhatsApp group. Hmm. In that we have SQL installer, MySQL installer, and SQL Yog. These both this MySQL installer and SQL Yog. So I told the process, right? So based on that, but it's not downloading. So what you are getting? By doing what you are getting, can you let me know? So except Chetan, all of you completed your installation. Harshini, Sharanya, Vasudha, Saiti, let me know if you have any doubts. Hello. So Chetan, we'll share the recording in YouTube so that you can see the recording and you can go through the process. Okay. From first onwards. So our database connection was successfully completed. So let's see how to create a database. Okay. To create a database, we have to write a query. Okay. So here first to create a database, we have a query that is, one second. That is create database. So I am keeping a database name as demo. Some random name I'm taking. So my database name is demo I'm taking. Okay. So you just select it and run. So create database demo. So here the database is successfully created as demo C. Okay. So let me write like use demo. So here I'm writing query as use demo. So it is because to use the demo database. Okay. So let me run the query and next is database. I'm creating a table. Okay. So still now we doesn't have any tables, right? So I'm creating a table. So for that we should write a query that is create table. I'm taking table name as students. Okay. So I'm taking my table name as students. Students. And in the table, okay, I have created a table name as students, right? So let's select it and run. Wait a second. So I have created a table name as students, and next in that table I'm taking some fields like I'm taking ID, int, primary key, auto increment, and name varchar. Next I'm taking roll number out. Roll number. Int. So here I have created a table name that is students, and in that table I have taken two fields, three fields. Okay, so one is ID and second one is name and third one is roll number. Okay, so here I have taken ID. For that I have took int, right? So here int means integer. So we use it because ID contains numbers, right? So numbers are stored efficiently using int. Okay. So and primary key is used to each row should have a unique identifier. Like for example, for one ID, I gave like some random name like Sindhu, and for second ID I have gave some random name like John, like that. So for each row we should have a unique identifier so that we have take the primary key. Okay, so no two students can have the same IDs. Okay, so each student names have the unique ID so that we have to primary key. Okay, and next, why we took auto increment means it increases the ID value automatically. Okay, so without auto increment, we must manually enter the IDs. Okay, so that we have to auto increment. And next, coming to the name varchar. So here we used varchar, right? So why we used varchar means here it is used to store the text or characters. So names contains letters, right? So that's why we used varchar here. And here we also took 100, right? So why we use this is so 100 is maximum length. So maximum length allowed is 100. Okay. And roll number contains the numbers, right? So that I have to integer. So this is a query which is used to create a table. Okay. So let's select it and run. I'm getting error. So the table is successfully created. So let's see. Let's do refresh here and let's go with the database demo and tables. In the tables we have created students, right? So in that students we have two columns, right? So two rows. They are name, roll number, and also ID. Automatically it will generate. Okay. Next, what we'll do is we should insert the values in this table. Okay, so to insert the values in this table, we should write a query, that is insert into students. So what we have, name and also roll number. And for this we should give values, right? So values, I'm giving name as John and roll number I'm giving as 417. Okay, so just select it and let's run it. So see here in the table, just refresh it. 1 second. See, the name and roll number successfully inserted in these columns, right? See, to insert the data, we should write a query like this. Okay. So next, what we'll see is we just like to retrieve the data. To retrieve the to get the inserted data, we should write a query that is select from students. Our table name as students, right? So from students, I am selecting the data. Okay, so just select it and run it. See, our inserted data is successfully shown here. See, we got this data, right? So this is all about the create the database and how to create the database and how to create the table inside the database and how we should insert the columns like names and whatever fields. So how should we select them and how should we insert them? So all we have seen by doing this, right? So if you have any doubts, let me know. Up to this, hello. So up to this, if you have any doubts, let me know, please. ఇక్కడి వరకు అందరికి అర్థమైందా ఎలా డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అండ్ ఎలా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి ఫీల్డ్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి అండ్ మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసిన డేటా ఎలా రిట్రైవ్ చేసుకోవాలి ఎలా గెట్ చేసుకోవాలి అని చెప్పి ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ ఎనీవన్ హలో ఎస్ ఓకే ఓకే So have you installed your SQL and MySQL and SQL your Sharanya? Is it completed? If not, you can see the videos, recording videos in the YouTube. Okay, we'll post in the YouTube so that you can see the recordings and you can go through that. Okay. So please inform to your friends also to see the videos, to check the video recording and please go through them. Okay. So this SQL, MySQL and SQL, your database connection is same for both Python and Java students. Java, okay? Only Sharanya was responded. What about others? Have you understood? Varshini, Sahiti? Okay. So if you have any doubts, let me know. If no doubts, we can end up this session. Okay, thank you. So today we have completed the SQL installation, MySQL installations, and SQL Log installations and database connections, and also like how to create a database and how to insert the uh, like data in the table and how to retrieve the data. Today we have seen all of this, right? So tomorrow we can go through with other topics. Okay. So thank you all. Bye. So please share to your friends also. So please uh, see like tell them to see the video recordings and please go through them. Okay. Thank you then. Bye.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinnotech.com for more courses.